If you want to enhance your PayPal account security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon or settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. In the settings menu, look for the security tab. Click on it to view your security options, including devices linked to your account. Step 4. Review linked devices. Under the security settings, find the section that lists all devices currently linked to your PayPal account. Review this list to identify any old or unrecognized devices. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old devices you wish to remove. There should be an option to delete or unlink these devices. Confirm your choice to ensure they are removed from your account. By following these steps, you can keep your PayPal account secure by removing any outdated devices. Regularly checking your security settings is a good practice to maintain your online safety.